This is a rare power chair. This is a Hoveround MPV5 with the 5-inch seat lift. So it's almost impossible to find these days a Hoveround with a seat lift. They're very hard to find. There's not that many around. But this one does have the 5-inch seat lift, which makes it valuable. And to make the seat go up, you just do it through the joystick. You would go to the button where it says seat lift, press them, you'll see the lights come on. And then if you just hold the joystick forward, push it forward, you can hear your seat lift go. And that's the normal noise, by the way. This is perfectly normal. That's your 5-inch seat lift. Now this chair will not drive with the seat elevated. So if you need to get the seat elevated, you want to move forward, you have to bring it back down. There's a sensor right here that clicks right here, and all of a sudden the chair can drive again. Once the seat touches that sensor, then the chair will drive. So this is your 5-inch seat lift. So right now you would start roughly at 22 inches when you're all the way down. You'll be at 27 inches right here by the time you're elevated. So I'm going to bring the seat back down. As I said, that's normal. In fact, it's a good noise, perfect. Bring the seat back down. Also, this chair, because of the seat lift and the way they figured the seat lift and they used the joystick, this chair has the heavy-duty motors. This power chair has the super heavy-duty motors. Now these days, they put the light-duty motor. They're quieter motors, but they don't last as long. These motors here are a little bit more noisier, but these motors are fantastic. These are the best motors in here they ever put in power chairs. So you'll hear the motors when we're outside. You'll hear them humming. That's because they're heavy-duty. Light-duty motors, usually, they're very quiet, but the heavy-duty motors are geared different, okay? So these motors will last you a long time. Another thing about this chair, it's a swivel seat. So if you wanted to swivel your seat, you could swivel your seat any direction you want. Okay? We've got 9-inch tires here. They're knobby tires. You can see the knobby tires. You've also got an anchor point here, and you also have a large anchor point in the back. So this chair is equipped with the tie down. So if you needed to tie this chair to your lift or to your van, you've got one in front, one in the back, on both sides, you've got the same thing. The footplate on this chair is right here, and you can move it up when you exit the chair. And the nice thing about Hoveround, what they always say, their footplates are rounded. So if you go around a corner, instead of having a square footplate, you can get around the corners a little bit easier. Plus you have a rubber bumper right here in the front. This is all rubber, this part right here. You can see the actual motor right here for the seat lift that was going up and down earlier. These are the two motors. There's one huge motor here, another big motor here. If I want to put this chair, move it right now, it's in gear. But if I push these handles down, now I'm in neutral. Okay? This is where you put the chair in neutral. You got two motors. This is where you put it back in gear. Then you turn your power back on. Always turn the power off when you're doing the neutral so you don't have any resistance. The seat is 18 by 17. 18 by 17 roughly. The arms flip up. And these arms can also go out if you need more width. The seat is a flip down seat, okay? And if you don't like the tilt on the seat right there and it's not enough or it's too much, it's adjustable manually by moving the screw on this lever right here. You just move the screw to the next hole and you can adjust the tilt manually to where you want it. The back of the chair, you've got a pouch. This is where you adjust the arms right here to get them out or in. You've got your caster wheels in the back. And when you charge this chair, you take your charger and you plug it right below your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green, and you would plug it right below here where the port is, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. So if you're looking for a power chair with the 5-inch seat lift, with heavy-duty motors, nice rounded footplate, and it says the joystick's on the right, but we can put it on the left with no problem. Nice 18 by 17 seat, very comfortable seat, adjustable arms, swivel seat. It'll come with a charger. This would be a really nice one. If you need a Hoveround with the seat lift. This is the MPV5 Hoveround with the 5-inch seat lift with the heavy duty motors. No problem going through the grass. This chair is built solid with the heavy duty motor with the 5-inch seat lift, the rounded footplate. Really nice, comfortable chair.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.